Hello, everyone. Welcome to Language Broker English Lesson 11. Today, we dive right into learning prepositions. Prepositions shows the relationship between nouns and pronouns to other words in the sentence. Together, we will learn, memorize, and practice. In English, there are 150 prepositions, but today we will learn 25 prepositions that are used in everyday conversation. Let's begin. About, about. Across, across. After, after. My brother likes reading books after school. My brother likes reading books after school. How else can you say this sentence? My brother likes to read books after school. Good job. My brother likes to read books after school. Against, against. Along, along. Around, around. At, at. Tori left her book at home. Tori left her book at home. Before, before. Between, between. By, by. My shoes are by the door. My shoes are by the door. During, during. For, for. Pam opened the doors for Randy. Pam opened the doors for Randy. From, from. In, in. I will put the book in a bag. I will put the book in a bag. Into, into. Near, near. Of, of. On, on. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. Than. Through. To. We went to the park. We went to the park. Toward. He walked towards me. He walked towards me. Under. The book fell under the table. The book fell under the table. Until. With. Anne went to the park with me. Notice that this sentence has two prepositions. Anne went to the park with me. The two prepositions are to and with. Very good, very good. That is all 25 prepositions that we're going to learn today. Please practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the better your English will become. That is all for today. Please click like, click subscribe, go to the next lesson. I will see you all again soon. Bye for now.